the beach still be beautiful if the weather is rainy like this?
Thank you, Mom.
It's a pretty cool day since it's raining. Careful, kids, don't disturb your father. Noodles are ready, let's eat.
Enjoy your food. Have a nice trip, sweetheart. We're here. Let's get off.
Beautiful here. Be careful near the water. Wow, look at the waves.
This will be an unforgettable picnic with the kids.
Wow, I can't wait to eat it, Mom. Yes, of course. It's already cooked. Be careful. It's hot, sweetheart. It's very good.
Let's eat. Mom's ready. Come and get it.
Look, we should put the flag right here. Yes, it looks perfect.